Okay guys, so now we're gonna move on to the rear differential of the car. It's quite simple. First, loosen up the upper fill port, just so you have a little bit of pressure off the fluid to be able to drain out from the bottom. This one is a little bit fun. You gotta grab yourself a really short one. And eventually it will crack open. All right, let's drain this fluid and see exactly what comes out. Fun, fun. Okay guys, let's get the fluid out of the rear differential and see how it looks.
Where's the cooler? What is this?
Okay, so we have cleaned up the drain plug and the threads. We've drained all the oil. We're gonna clean it all up now. And we're gonna fill our differential fluid from right up in there. So it takes 1.3 liters. And we're gonna add our friction modifier from Ford. That way, our differential runs nice and clean and quiet. So for the differential, you're using 75w-140 plus our Ford friction modifier. Got the fluid inside the diff, took about 1.4 liters total before it started dripping out. So got everything tightened up, and that's how you change the diff fluid.